Hi, I'm James Nonna Tonda. Today, on behalf of Citalia, we've got Gennaro with us.
Right, fantastic. Look at that. How many ingredients we got here? All good, fresh pasta. What are we going to cook?
So we're doing tagliarini,
Right.
Cornish crab, Datterino tomato, and lemon pangrattato. Really simple, and delicious.
A proper Italian dish. Actually, this is Tagliarini, because they're quite small. The actual dish comes where I come from, the Amalfi Coast. I was born 30 meters above the sea, where the sea was my swimming pool, the mountain was my back garden, and the village was my playground, where I almost learned everything. You know, as soon as you walk up to the street, you can hear all the mama cooking about 1 o'clock, the lovely smell of a ragu, lovely tomatoes hanging up, and a beautiful place to go. It's unbelievable.
How often do you go back?
Well, quite often, whenever I can, boom, I go straight away. I don't just go near Amalfi Coast. You know, Italy is such a beautiful place. It's got this beautiful peninsula, you know, and the village and the regions have changed.
Sure.
They're very, very proud, you know. There are so many beautiful lakes, you know, Lago di Garda, Lago di Como, you know, they're all there. And the mountains, it's just unbelievable.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Amazing. You go down Liguria, all those olive trees everywhere. Then there's almost competition with Puglia, right down the south. Italy's Puglia with a lovely dish, beautiful beach, beautiful farm and everything. Then you move up to the Sicily with so many beautiful islands. And then wherever you go in the small village, say, mangia, mangia.
Yeah, we're trying.
It is. They're incredible. Where do you like to go when you go in Italy? Because you said to me, then you was going down Rome, that terrible city, yes. But any other place you like to go to visit?
Well, Sicily is the most amazing island. Food there is fantastic and people are so friendly.
It is.
But all over really. But I've been to Sicily a few times and it's fantastic. We did a trip, before we started Nonna Tonda, we did a road trip with my 6-month-old son.
My God.
And we literally went around the whole country. And Sicily was the place that really stood out for us. But the whole country is just, it's amazing.
It is amazing. Look, Sicily is a destination which everyone, you know, goes there, you know. But if you want to visit other part of Italy, the best way to do it, go to Citalia. They're so organized. I'm working with Citalia with so much love and passion for the last 8 years.
Fantastic.
And Citalia took me place, which I'm Italian, well, I didn't know it existed. Every time I went there, I went, wow. Tell me what you want me to do.
Can you start by slicing the garlic,
Garlic.
nice and finely, and a couple of chilies.
Good. That's good.
Okay.
Start garlic, little chili.
So you're gonna have a good lug of olive oil.
It's good. Yes, very happy. So I got the garlic, I got the chili. Okay, what shall I do with? Tell me.
So chop the garlic in, the chili.
This is good. Look at this. Yes.
Tomatoes in.
Fantastic. Oh yes.
Can you chop a bit of parsley for me?
Just
a small handful.
a small handful. This is a big handful. I use also the stove, which is good.
Bit of dry white wine.
Fantastic.
And then we get a bit of...
Yeah, which is for salt as well. Beautiful. I really love it.
So put it down until it kind of softened.
Yeah.
Not disintegrating.
No. Yes, so.
Should we get our pasta on? I think we should get our
Yes,
pasta on
let's put pasta. You ready with the pasta? Yeah?
Yeah, let's do not for 2 people. So what is it? 200 grams?
Yeah. It's 100, 200, 300.
Maybe 200 grams.
200 grams, so we do 200 grams, so we do, yeah, let's go for nest inside, that's matter. It's for us anyway.
So this is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'll put them inside there without the nest because the pasta, like a steam, like to move inside, you know, that have a plenty of room. And then it will come up straight away. That's good, look at that sauce.
If you put some brown meat first,
Right, okay.
so half of the.
Half of the brownie.
I guess there's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's enough, yeah.
Yeah. Oh
And then we have
my
the-
god, this is gonna taste so good. Oh yes. Look how beautiful this pasta.
Very
Do you know, you made a lovely mix as well, and I done another mix, but this is yours, I'm using it. You know, the pasta is better than mine.
I think the so I like to add quite a bit of pasta water really, and then reduce it into the pasta.
Fantastic.
And then if we add the white meat, the parsley,
Right, yeah.
so you get the
White
heat up.
meat. All the white meat.
I think probably half the white meat, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's up.
Yeah.
It's up, this one.
And the parsley at the
Don't
end.
lose anything. Good.
Look at the parsley. Parsley in now, yeah.
Enough?
Yeah,
I love parsley. I just love it, parsley. I think you're right, you know, I need a little bit more extra chili. Yeah.
Almost done. Very, very quick dish, isn't it? Very simple.
My goodness me, I can't wait.
Very simple flavours. It's just
It is indeed. And hardly anything, garlic and chili, parsley, grab goes in, hallelujah.
Do you want to plate up? Do you want to go for it?
You can't wait, you better do it. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Oh, that is so good. But tell me, how do you took Italian cuisine? You know, what it was to do pasta. Why you fall in love with Italy?
Well, my wife spent 4 years there. She used to live in Florence, so
Beautiful town.
we went there for, we did a road trip for 6 months, learned the pasta, and then came back, opened a restaurant, but sadly we had to close it before lockdown.
Oh, sorry.
But luckily, obviously, we moved into deliveries, and now we're doing delivering throughout the country.
Yeah, what's your company's called now?
Nonna Tonda.
Fantastic, really, really good. You do well. What do you do every single day? You do a particular dish or particular, you know, all kind of different pasta dish?
So we do 2 dishes each week. There's either a meat or a seafood or a vegetarian dish, and it changes every week. Little choice, but obviously focus on quality, and it means there's virtually zero wastage. We're just doing those 2 dishes each week.
You're great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much on behalf of Citalia Holiday. Take us here and
No, pleasure.
cook
Thank you
this
for coming.
fantastic. Really, really good. Oh yes, the limoncello on it. Oh my man! A lovely limoncello on Citalian new magazines. Try to get it. You will love it. Limoncello. Look at that. Oh.